So before start the actual project explanation, I request you please subscribe my channel. So you can see on the screen up till now I have uploaded more than 66 video on Raspberry Pi. The Raspberry Pi with IoT, that is all this video. Then also IoT with Arduino, all this video are 26. And recently we started the new series on the PIC microcontroller. Before that I also cover the project on the Python web application. So if you want to learn Python, IoT, Raspberry Pi, Arduino, PIC from the scratch and from freely, then please subscribe my channel, please support me. And the most important part is whatever the code I have explained, whatever the project I have created on this YouTube channel, all these projects are freely available. You no need to pay anything for this project. So just if only point is you should watch complete video and you should follow my process. So if you want to learn something from the scratch and freely, then support me and please subscribe my channel and please click on like button. Hello friend, in today's video we will learn how we can design and develop a smart electronic voting machine project by using fingerprint sensor and Arduino. So before start the next part, I would like to tell you the same project I have designed but by using the face recognition technique. That time I haven't used the fingerprint sensor. So if you want same project with the face recognition technique, then please watch my face recognition video. The video thumbnail you can see on the screen, and also I have attached the video link in the description. Okay, so in this project what we will cover? So we will cover connection of each and every hardware. You can see there are many hardware. So how to connect that hardware with the Arduino, that we will cover. Also we will cover the software part of this project so that you can design and develop this project by yourself. Now before start the next part, I would like to tell you what will be the flow of this project. Okay, let's understand the project flow. So basically if any voter come, first he should enroll his finger. So any voter can enroll his one of his finger. So let's consider if first voter come and he's enroll his thumb finger. So with his thumb finger he has one ID. Another voter come and another voter enroll, let's say his index finger, and next voter come and he enroll his middle finger. So likewise any voter can enroll one of his finger into database. Okay, after enrolling has done, the next part is actual voting day. So actual voting day, what happen? First on the LCD it will ask please scan your finger. So once the voter place his finger, whatever the finger he has enrolled, once he place the finger on this scanner, then it will ask the give your vote. And after that if he press any one of these switch, so let's say here I consider the three parties. So one party is Congress, then NCP, and then BJP. So let's say if its finger is matched into database, then uh, on the LCD it is asking give your vote. So once he pressed any switch, let's say this switch, then this switch is considered as a Congress switch, then Congress party gets one vote. So likewise if the next voter come and next voter again scan his another finger, let's say index finger or middle finger, then again same process happen. In this case let's say if any voter scan his finger and again he scan again at the same time he scan his finger, uh, but it will not give the access to that voter because he is already given the vote at that time, and it will show on the LCD duplicate vote, and the buzzer will turn on and buzzer will ring three times. So it will give the idea it is an invalid vote, and for the valid vote buzzer will only ring only one time. And if let's say admin want to check which party has win this election, then admin can scan his finger, one ID we have given to the admin. So that ID if the admin scan his finger, then automatically here on the LCD it will show winner party name. So this is the complete project flow. I hope you understand the project flow. Now we will see the actual project demonstration so that you will get better idea about this project. Okay, now we will see the practical demonstration. Now you can see there is no power. If I give the power to the Arduino, then here it will display the project name smart electronic voting machine, and then it is asking please scan your finger. Now for my case I have taken the four finger, like this four finger, which consider the each voter. Let's say this is one voter, this is another voter, this is third voter, and this is fourth voter, and second and right hand finger I consider as a admin access. So four voter and one admin access. So you can consider there are four voter because at my home I am only one person which can execute this project. So there are 5 fingers which are considered as a 5%. So this is just for practical demonstration. Okay, now first is asking please scan your finger. Now okay, now what I will do, I will place my finger one by one and then I will give the vote. So it is asking me place your finger. So I will place my first finger here. So you can see your voter ID is 1. Now it is asking give your vote and press button. So once I press this button, you can see buzzer on, thanks for voting, and it is asking for next person, please place your finger. Now in this case, if I give the same voter, like let's say same voter again try to give the vote, now what will happen? So you can see same finger, same ID, duplicate vote, buzzer on. Now 3 times buzzer will turn on. So this is the some security concept I have taken here, so that only one voter can give the one vote at a one time. Okay, now let's say if the next person come, next person means my index finger. So index finger I place here. You can see your voter ID is 2. Now press your vote. Now again I will give this party. So this party already we have given the vote. Now I will press this. So thanks for your vote. Third finger, now third is index finger. Now I will press this index finger. Your voter ID is 3. Now again I will give the vote this switch, third switch. So third party. So you can see thanks for your vote. Again I will scan my next hand. This another hand thumb is nothing but the my admin access, and this is the another voter you can consider. So I will press this finger here. You can see voter ID is 5. Now I again press the first switch, so that first switch, that first party, you can see thanks for vote. Now what happened, for the first party I have pressed the switch 2 times. That means this party has the larger vote. So if I give my admin access now, so this is the admin access thumb. So if I give the admin access, then it will show Congress is winner, because this is the Congress switch, Congress party switch. So I will press this finger. You can see voter ID 4 and winner party is Congress. Now I will again repeat the same process for another party. Let's consider the BJP. BJP is nothing but the third number switch. So again I will do power on, power off. So smart electronic voting machine, place your finger one by one. I quickly scan my all the votes. So first finger I press, place, then give the vote. First voting done. Now second finger I press, second vote. Now third finger. Now again fourth finger, and for this time the third switch I will press 2 times, and again the admin access thumb. So you can see winner name is BJP. So in this case we demonstration of this project has done. I hope you understand the project flow and demonstration of this project. Now we will see the hardware connection of this project, and then we will see the programming part of this project. Okay, now let's understand the hardware connection of this project. So first part is this circuit. So basically this is nothing but one 0 PCB and buck strip I have attached here. It is considered as a common VCC and common ground. So you can use the breadboard also, no issue. I have the 0 PC, that's I have connected here. Just we need common VCC, common ground, so that if any sensor require 5 volt, we can give from here, and if I require ground, then we can give the ground from here. So this is simple circuit, nothing much complicated. You can see here short, here you can see this line. So this is the common ground circuit, very simple circuit. Okay, first we connect the common is the common ground. So Arduino, you can see on Arduino the pin number clearly mentioned, so just follow that pin number and connect that one. So first VCC pin. So this is the VCC pin from the Arduino. So VCC pin should be connected to common VCC point here. Then ground pin from the Arduino should be connected to common ground. So whenever I require VCC, I will take from here now, and ground take from here. So this is the first part that we have done. Now after that, we will quickly connect the I2C display. If you want a detailed explanation of this I2C display, then please watch my I2C with Arduino video. In that video, I have clearly mentioned and in detail mentioned how to connect the display with the Arduino. Here I only connect the 4 pins quickly. So you can see on I2C display, we have SCL, SDL, ground and VCC pin. So connect that as per that connection. So first is ground. So this is the ground pin that should be connected to common ground, which is here. Then next pin is VCC pin. VCC pin from this I2C display that should be connected to 5 volt from here. We already taken the 5 volt from here and ground from here. So whenever we require 5 volt and ground, we will take from there. Then after that, SDL and SCL. So this is the SCL pin of this I2C display. So first connect the SCL pin of I2C display to the last pin of Arduino. So here is the last pin of Arduino. You can see this is the last pin of Arduino. So I connect here, and SDA pin should be connected to just near to that. Okay, so SCL and SDL we connected successfully. So in this way we quickly connect the LCD and the common VCC common ground with the Arduino. Now the next part is this fingerprint sensor module. So whenever you purchase the fingerprint sensor module, this pin, the one additional work you have to do, you have to solder these pins like these pins, so that you can easily place that pin into the Arduino. Otherwise, and when you purchase this is not connected here, like this it is removed. I can show you. So this is the remote connection. Just place this one, and on this sensor only you can mention, you can see there is a 1 number and there is a 6 number. You can see 1 number and 6 number is here. If we like this, you can see there is a 1 number and 6 number. So we need 1 number, 2 number, 3 number and 4 number pin only. So we need 1 number, 2 number and 3 number pin only. 1 number act as a VCC, 2 number act as a ground, and 3 number act as a TX, which connected to Arduino 2 number pin, and 4th number pin act as a RX, which connected to Arduino 3 number pin. So this is a very simple and easy connection. Again I will repeat connection. 1 number pin, which is red pin, you can see it is act as a VCC. Do not go with the color code, just follow the pin number, because maybe your color of this pin may be different, so just follow the pin number. So 1 number pin, in my case it is a red, which is connected to 5 volt. Then 2 number pin is a black wire, which is connected to ground. Okay, then 3 number pin is TX, which is nothing but the yellow wire, which is connected to the Arduino 2 number. And next is a green pin, which is a 4 number pin of this sensor, which is connected to Arduino 3 number pin. So like this we have to do the connection. Quickly I can do the connection. You can see the VCC pin, that is red pin, disconnected to 5 volt common VCC pin. Okay, then black is nothing but the ground pin, should be connected to common ground. Okay, this is done. Then after that, yellow pin is connected to 2 number, which is TX pin of this sensor, which is connected to 2 number pin of Arduino. Okay, and then after that, green pin, which is RX pin of this sensor, which is connected to Arduino TX, that is 3 number pin. So in this way we completed the sensor part also, connection also. Okay, next we connect one circuit. You can see this circuit. So how I design this circuit, I will explain here on this paper. So basically when you have this switch, each switch having 4 pins. You can see there are 4 pins on each switch. You can see clearly 4 pins on each switch. Then we use the resistor. You can use 1 kilo ohm, 1 kilo ohm resistor or 500 ohm resistor also, no issue. And then we require some buck strip for soldering to connect the wire like this. So I will show you the circuit what exactly. So basically you can see each switch having 4 pins low like this, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Let's consider this is the first switch. Now this pin switch, this is the here 1, 2, 3 and 4. So 4 pin we have. So from the fourth number pin we have taken one resistor. You can see this is the resistor we have taken, and then the resistor next point we have connected to the ground. So this is the common ground. So this is the one part. Now pin this first number pin, consider the first number, not second, not third, exactly this cross connection. First number pin, it is connected to 5 volt. Here you can see this is the 5 volt. Okay, so this is the one pin connection, one switch connection. Now with the same repeat we have another switch connected here like this. Then again 1, 2, 3, 4 number of this switch. Then from the fourth again we have taken resistor, 1 kilo ohm resistor or 500 ohm resistor. Now this pin is connected directly to the common. You can see common here, common ground. Ultimately it's connected to ground. Then this pin we have to connect to the VCC. So ultimately we have shorted this like this. Indirectly it is connected to the VCC. Okay, again we have the third switch here. Then third switch again having the 4 pin, 1, 2, 3, 4. Same way, the from the fourth pin we have taken one resistor and shorted here. Okay, and then from the one pin we have connected like this, common VCC. So all these 3 pins are connected to common VCC. All these resistor 3 pins are connected to common ground. Okay, now in between fourth number pin and the resistor point, in between fourth number pin resistor point, in between fourth number pin and resistor point of each switch, there is one point out here. You can see in between this one point, then there is second point, and then the third point. So this point is nothing but the Arduino 2 number, 3 Arduino 4 number, 5 number and 6 number. So from this point we have taken one connection which is connected to Arduino 4 number, Arduino 5 number and Arduino 6 number. So I hope you understand this circuit. You can see this circuit like this, and very easy circuit you can easily develop on breadboard. If you want to develop on breadboard, please watch my previous video. In that video I have developed this circuit on the breadboard. Okay, now this is the final output of this switch, of this circuit. You can see same connection, each pin having common VCC. You can see this is the common VCC point, then this is the common ground point, and in between switch pin and the resistor, one pin out, one pin out, one pin out, which is connected to the Arduino. That's simple. Okay, okay, now we will connect this circuit with the Arduino. So first we will connect the common VCC. So this is the VCC point. So from the VCC we take this common VCC, very simple. Then common ground, this is the ground pin, common ground pin of this switch connected to common ground pin here, very simple. Then again this pin is connected to Arduino 4 number, Arduino 4 number. Then another switch is connected to Arduino 5 number. Then another switch again here which connected to Arduino 6 number. So very simple, and we completed the switch part. Now only one part is remaining, buzzer. Buzzer is simplest one. Only there are two pins. One pin is VCC and one pin is ground. Just connect the VCC pin of this buzzer, that is the red pin, to the 7 number pin of Arduino, and the ground pin which is connected to common ground. So likewise we completed the circuit part. It look like some messy, but it is completed. Now we will verify. First we will verify the power supply. It is very important. So this is the ground pin, should be connected to the common ground. Just verify it is yes, common ground. This is VCC pin, should be connected to VCC. Yeah, connected. Then sensor VCC pin should be connected to 5 volt, connected. Ground connected to the ground. Then LCD ground pin is first number pin is connected to LCD ground pin is connected to ground. Yes, VCC to VCC. So this connection is correct. Okay, now we will give the power supply and just check whether our circuit is correct or not. So for power supply you can use the Arduino cable and directly connect this USB to the laptop. Okay, smart electronic voting machine, it is there. You can see LCD is working. Yeah, it is asking place your finger. It is working. You can see LCD is asking place your finger. Now I will place my finger, just see whether finger is connected. You can see your voter ID is 1. Now I press the button, just check whether connection is working or not. It is working perfectly. So in this way we completed the hardware connection part. Now we will see the programming part, and we will see how to enroll the finger. That also we can see later. Okay, now let's understand the programming part of this project. So first important part is you should download my electronic Arduino EVM Arduino fingerprint sensor folder. The Google Drive link or the web page link given in the description. From that web page you will find one download button. Just click on the download button, and this folder, it will automatically download at your PC. It will be in the zip file, so you have to unzip that one. So once you unzip that one, then you will get this folder. So inside this folder there is a Arduino soft program for this project. Another part is you should require the Arduino software in your laptop. If you don't have the Arduino software in your laptop, then please watch my accident detection video thumbnail you can see on the screen. In that video I have explained how to install this software in your laptop. Okay, after that what you have to do, you have to just double click on this file, or you can open the Arduino software from the laptop. So let's say I have opened the Arduino software from my laptop. Okay, once the software open, go to the file, click on open. So once you click on open button, go to that folder where you downloaded my file. So let's say this is the file. Just click on that file and click on open button. So once you click on open the button, the project will be open at your end. So basically we have used inbuilt Adafruit library, fingerprint sensor library. So information of that library it is given here. So very important point is you should install that library in your laptop. So how to install, I will tell you process. Okay, to install that library, go to the sketch, then include library, and click on this manage library. And before that, first check whether internet is connected to your laptop or not. It is very important, you should have the internet connectivity in your laptop. So after you click on that include manage library button, it will take some time to open that library window, so wait for some time. So you can see this library manager will be open. Wait for some second, it will download all the libraries. So wait for that. Also this process completed. Once it completed, then we have to type fingerprint here. So once you type fingerprint, then you will get Adafruit library. So wait for some second, it will show this download completed. Okay, now you can see once it completed, just type here fingerprint and press enter. Wait for some second, it will search the fingerprint library. So you can see this library is there, Adafruit fingerprint sensor library. Here I can see my update button because I already installed that library. In your case you can select here install button and select version 1.1.1 that I use. Just click on this install button, that library get installed in your laptop. So once you click on install, it will automatically start installation like this. If I want to install, here install button is showing. So like same for the Adafruit library, here you will find the install button. So for the fingerprint sensor you can use this library, and for the liquid crystal again you can type here liquid crystal. So for I2C LCD you require another library, liquid crystal. You can see this library I use, it is already installed. So in your case again here you will find the install button, just click on install and this library will install. My current version is 1.0.7, it is already installed in my laptop. So this two library, it is very important, you should install in your laptop, otherwise program will give a compilation error. Okay, so this is the basic steps before start the program. Okay, once you install all the libraries, now next part is we have to check whether that library get installed or not. So for that one, go to the file, go to the example, and here you will find the, here you can see here you will find the Adafruit sensor library, fingerprint sensor library, and also liquid crystal I2C. If these two libraries coming here, that means you successfully install all this library in your laptop. So first point is we have to enroll our finger. So how to enroll our finger? Just go to the Adafruit fingerprint sensor library and click on this enroll. So once you click on this enroll, this file will be open. Connect your laptop, connect your Arduino to your laptop, and then fingerprint sensor to your laptop, to your Arduino. So once you connect fingerprint sensor to Arduino and Arduino to laptop, go to the tools, go to the board. Here you should select the Arduino Uno and COM port as per your Arduino COM port. When you connect, it will show the Arduino COM port. Then click on this upload button. So wait for some second, it will upload this file into your Arduino. After that you can enroll your finger. So make sure your connection is correct, that I already told you how to connect the hardware with your Arduino. Okay, once you connect, just go to this serial monitor. Here you will find the serial monitor button, and here baud rate should be 9600. Then here it is asking ID for your finger. So whatever the finger ID you have to give, voter ID you can give there. So let's say if I enroll my thumb, I will give first and press enter. So once it will press enter, it will showing waiting for the finger. After that here you can see, here you can see here you can see I have connected the hardware to my Arduino. Now it is asking for enroll the finger. I will press my finger here. So you can see it is message on screen. Again press the same finger. So place the same finger again there, and here you can see store ID1 waiting for valid finger. ID1 is store. So in this way you can enroll your finger. If you want to enroll the second finger, again just click on this serial monitor button, and again it is asking the ID, second ID. So once I give the 2 number and press enter, now I will add my index finger. So again I will place my index finger here. You can see image taken, image converted, ID2, place the same finger again. So again I will place the same finger. You can see ID2 also store. Here it is showing print match ID2 store. So that means 2 finger I have store. Now if I want to verify the ID of my finger, just go to the file, again go to the example, and again go to the fingerprint sensor library, and here you will see fingerprint function program. So click on that fingerprint program and just download this program again into your Arduino. So once I download, just click on this serial monitor, and again it is waiting for the finger. So thumb I have enroll and index finger. So I place the thumb on this sensor. So once I place the thumb on this sensor, you can see found ID 1. So ID 1, that means it is enroll. Now I will place the index finger, ID 2 also found. So likewise you can verify your ID and you can enroll your ID. So this is the basic steps to enroll your finger into database. Okay, now once we enroll our finger into database, just go to the main project. So this is our main project. I will explain the importance of lines that I have added into this project. So first is library, fingerprint sensor library, then serial monitor library, then liquid crystal library. That three library we needed for this project. Then we use liquid crystal I2C display. The address is 27. Why this address is 27? That I detail explain in my previous video, I2C and Arduino video. Please watch that video. Based on your address of your I2C address, change your address. My address is 27, your address may be 26, 23. So just find your address by watching that video and just replace this 27 by your address. Generally it is 27, but if not working with the 27, then find your address. First try with 27. If it's working, well and good. Not fine, then go to watch go to that video, watch again and find your address of your LCD. Then software serial 2 number pin, 3 number pin is Arduino RX pin and 3 number is Arduino TX pin that we use in this project. Then 4, 5, 6 number it is button pin that we have defined. Buzzer pin connected to 7 number that defined here. So all these pin connection are defined here, 2 number, 3 number, 4, 5, 6, 7, whatever the pin number we have used in the hardware that I have defined here. Then some are button state variable which is used to store the state. When you press the button, then state will be 1, when you release the button, then state will be 0. So that for that one we use this button state. Then it is a library inbuilt function, some variable. What is use of this variable we will see later. Okay, in void setup we first define the all the pin as output, buzzer pin as output and the button pin as input, because Arduino taking the input from the switch and Arduino given the output to the buzzer, so that's why it is output pin and all the button pin are the input pin. Then we are initializing the LCD, we are turning the backlight, then we are defining the serial communication baud rate. Then here we are printing on serial terminal. Here the output library detected, then finger sensor found or not found. If the connection is okay, then it show the found the fingerprint sensor. If not found, then it will show the fingerprint sensor not found. And main part is comes here, like it is printing on the LCD smart electronic voting machine. When we give the power on, then LCD will print this message by using this line. Then after that main while loop started. So inside while loop you can see what taken is variable. We will see later what is use of this variable. So first we print on the LCD, place your finger. So once you press the finger, then here you will get the ID of that finger. If the ID is greater than 0, that means it is valid finger. If the ID is less than 0, that means it is invalid finger. It is not detected. So always ID should be greater than 0. Then after that, if the ID is greater than 0, then we are asking to the user give your vote. That means it is a way, it is a at this point we are asking the user to press the switch. Okay, so if the ID is 4, then that means it is admin. So for admin we have given the 4 ID here. So whenever you want to admin access for any finger, just press the 4 and then enroll your thumb or any admin finger. If you want to change the number, you can change here 5, 6, whatever you want. In my case I have given the 4 number for the admin and that finger comes with that 4 number. You can change easily while enrolling the finger. Give the any number and just change that number here. Okay, if the ID is 4, then it is taking the count 1 is greater than count 2 or count 1 is greater than count 3, then BJP win. If the count 2 is greater than count 1, count 2 is greater than count 3, then NCP win, and nothing about like this condition fail, then ultimately third party wins. So that is the logic to identify which is the winner of this party. And then it is printing on the LCD winner party name. So name we have taken from here, you can see winner name, winner name, winner name. So it will print on the LCD and while one, that means our project is completed here. Okay, if the ID is 4, let's say if ID is not 4, then it will come here, it is checking previous ID. So let's say if you scan the finger and again same finger will be scanned that at the same time. So it is checking whether previous ID is same as the current ID. If it's same, then it will show here, you can see duplicate vote and buzzer will on 3 times. So on and off, on and off, on and off. So that will be ring on, off, on, off, on, off. So 3 times it will start the buzzer. It will print on the LCD duplicate vote if the double ID comes at the same time. So that is the logic here. Then do while loop started, and here if the ID is not 4, then we are asking give your vote, and press button. So it is asking to press the button. So once the button press, so how to identify button press? By using this 3 line: digital read button 1, digital read button 2, then digital read button 3, and the state of that button. So which button is pressed? That state having high spike or high state. So let's say button 1 is pressed, then spike is high, then party 1 vote is equal to party 1 vote plus 1. So previous one vote plus 1. So 1 plus 1. So that means party 1 vote gets incremented. Likewise, same logic we have given here button 2 and button 3, and each button having the party count. You can say party count is there. So that is incrementing by 1 every time you press the button. And vote taken variable set to the 1. So once the vote taken variable set to the 1, then we have to print on the LCD thanks for your vote. You can see here, that is the logic here, thanks for your vote, and one buzzer will turn on, beep and stop only one time because it is a valid vote. So it is do while loop. Why it is do while loop? Because till someone press the switch, the message should be displayed on the LCD, give your vote, give your vote, give your vote, like this. So that means we require do while loop, and here you can see that while statement is here. Till white token is equal to 0 means there is no press, switch is not pressed. Once the switch press, then we have given that variable to 1 value. So till that variable having 0 value, print on the LCD, give your vote, and wait for the switch to press. So that's logic comes inside this do while loop. And once that logic is 1, it is come out from the loop, it's again go to the top, and again our project will be start running in the continue loop. So this is the logic. I haven't explained the below logic because this is the inbuilt logic for that fingerprint sensor. We don't care about this logic, we care about the our main logic. So main logic I would explain you. I hope you understand the logic. If you have any doubt, reach me out. My WhatsApp number in the description. Just send me the message, don't call me. Send me the message on the WhatsApp. Whenever I get the free time, then I will text you, I will reply back. Yeah, this is the complete idea behind this project. How to run this project, hardware connection, programming part, detail I have explained each and everything. If you like my content, click on like button. Please subscribe my channel and please support me. Thanks for watching this video.